Hi guys. Today we're going to be working on the popular two-sum problem. So the problem is given an array of integers called nums and an integer called target. Return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to the target. So it also says you may assume that each input would have exactly one solution, and you may not use the same element twice. So each array will have unique numbers and we only have one solution, so only two numbers they will have will add up to the target. And so to give further explanation, it says, for example, like this, we have a target of 9, and here our only solution is adding of 2 and 7. um for the approach, there is the brute force approach where you have to iterate over each array and make a nested array that's going to add each one for each instance, but it is generally not a good approach because of the big O results. So we're going to be using the hash map, which is a better recommendation because some hash map functionalities such as searching and adding are of constant time and space, constant big O of n. So yep, so starting with initializing our hash map, um our hash map will be of two integers. I hope I got that right. It's called map. Something is wrong here. Integer would be okay, nothing. A new hash map. Yep. So after doing this, we need to loop over our array and check if it contains. And let me just go through the whole process first and give an explanation. Int I equals to 0, I less than nums dot length I plus plus. So yeah, what we need to do is loop over our array, and we need to create an integer called let's say x, that's going to be the product of the result of the target minus nums dot I. So for using this first case study or this first example, so the target is 9 and nums dot I for the first iteration will be 2. So 9 minus 2 is 7. So x will be 7. So our two numbers will be 7 and 2. So what we're going to do is check if our hash map already contains 7. Then our solution will be the indices of 7 and 2. And also we need to remember that we are to return the indices, not the exact number itself. So if our map dot contains key of x, then we want to return a new array, new integer array that's basically going to contain map.get. So we're going to get x, it's going to give us that, and we're going to get I. So here we're returning the indices. Or else if it does not contain it, we need to add the value of I to it. So if it does not contain it, we have value of I to the hash map. And to do that, we need to do map dot put, I believe. And for this we need, okay, nums.I and I. Yes. So what this is going to do is, if it does not exist, if x does not exist, then we're going to add I to it. So in the second instance, it's going to do 9 minus 7, and the result is going to be 2. So x is going to be 2, and because 2 would have already existed in the array, we would get our answer. That is going to be 2 and 7. So yep, apart from that, we want to return an empty array in case none of this works. New integer array, just like that. And when we run our code, it should run without any error. Yep. So passes all three cases, and yep, that's it for today. Thank you guys, and stay tuned for more videos.